So, welcome to another video here at Back to Classics, and this is the Christmas special 2023. Starting last year with this with range of episodes around Christmas time, and of course we have a little bit of a recap to what we have done throughout this year. So a little bit of a compilation of what we have achieved so far on YouTube, and as well some references to some videos that we've uploaded last year. Welcome to another video here at Back to Classics, and today we're going to discuss this Ducati TT2, this 1965 250 Mach 1. This Mike Haywood replica, the 1974 750 Supersport green frame restoration, and today it is part 3 of the Ducati 200 Elite engine rebuild. This 1983 Ducati 650 SL Panta. A whole mouthful. So, underway with this beautiful restored 350 Desmo. We have some very special things going on here at Back to Classics right now, as in that we're about to enlarge our workshop, and in fact double the size of it. So as you can see, we have been working hard to refurbish and completely change our workshop, and all that is in there. It's a lot of work, and we've been working very hard over the past 2 weeks to get this done as soon as possible, because of course we want to go back to restoring Ducatis as soon as we can. And as you can see, we're not done yet. Well, we're getting there. Still some issues to do, like the floor needs to be done, needs to be painted, of course, and other stuff. But well, we're getting there, and hopefully by the end of next week, so just after Christmas, we can go back to restoring Ducatis the way we really like it. So that's about it. But let's show you first about the things that happened here last week.
This is what we do with Chinese script. Hoppa.
Okay, so let's show you around the new workshop. This is of course the old part that we have refurbished, in the sense that we have made a new workbench, because as you know, the old workbench was right along here. But this will remain the main workshop where we will restore all of the bikes. In fact, make sure that the engines are rebuilt right around in that corner. So these new workbenches turn out to be, well, it's the same basic layout as we've had before. This, by the way, is an original Ducati service tool board around the 1970s. It was available for dealerships, and we're lucky to have one. Of course, with the tools that are now boxed up, but will be put on there once it is all finished. We're still in the building process here. So that's about what I can say about this area. Of course, there are no motorbikes right here at the moment, which is a strange thing for us, but they're all upstairs, which we can show you in a minute. This will be our new area where we machine all kinds of parts, both on a lathe, on the milling machine, drilling machine, etc. So this is sort of a workstation. Mind you, these machines are still on their wooden structure, so we can move them around a little bit if necessary. That will of course be changed. And then here we have a work in progress again, but it's going to be our dirty workshop, so to speak. So this is where we're going to grind and weld, and we have our blasting machine. Of course, the air compressor is going to be in here as well. Here's where we can keep our stock of metals, so aluminium and steel that we're going to use for the machining, and the lathe, of course. So that's about this area. Now here we have a little special area. It's now in use as a for our table saw and things like that. But well, we're going to maybe in the near future make a very nice addition to our machine park in this corner. But be sure to check out our channel to follow up on that. And then finally, downstairs, this area will be the service area where we can easily get bikes in and out through this wonderful electric door. So we can service bikes very quickly, but also once a bike has finished restoration and we're going to get it road tested, this is also where we can drive it in and out much easily and make sure that everything is set up. So the workbench will be put here. That is the movable workbench for motorcycle service. So that's this area, of course, with its own workbench here as well. And then returning to the main area where we have our very known kitchen and a lot of people right there. So this is the famous original bitterball from Holland. Very nice.
Nee, we hebben al veel te veel bloopers voor mij. Nu weet ik het allemaal niet meer. This is food van Carl for Back to Classics. This is Indisch food from his mother. Thank you for that. And delicious too. Thank you.
En these are worstenbroodjes van Brabant. Zoek maar over. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year! Cheers!